welcome back. This morning I'm down in Stag Meadows quite early to take a little walk about and see what I can find in terms of little birds flitting about, see if I can get some shots of them. They're very difficult to get shots of, basically because they're so flighty. And these little garden birds are always darting in and out, flitting around the tree branches. It's really difficult to get a good shot of them. So I'm going to put my settings to 1/2000 of a second, f8 to give me a reasonable depth of field, and I'm going to leave the ISO at auto and I'll see what I can catch when I'm out and about. If you're enjoying this, please do give a like, subscribe and use the comments below to let me know. You can also visit my website where there are lots more images that can be bought as art for your home. We've got some great views of the cattle from where I am at the moment in Stag Meadows. I'll show you these now. There they are over there. There's the castle in the distance. And the early morning light hitting the side of the trees. So I'm trying to stay with the sun behind me so that the light's hitting the birds and I'm getting a good exposure of them. So here's some of the shots I was able to get today. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed this. Please do remember to like, subscribe and let me know any comments down below. See you next week.